Going on YouTube today? I'm going to be setting up two different one-person tents. The first one from BATTLBOX, coming in at $139 or $135.99 or something. You can actually get it for free right now though if you use the promo code NEWTENT. I'll leave that promo code in the description but down below. So I look at it as I've got the lowest subscription at $30. It's a $30 tent. The second one is from Bass Pro Shop, and that one comes in at $34.99. It's still a one-person tent. It's a slightly different style of tent, one-person tent, but I'm going to assemble both of them. I'm going to show you guys the weights and give you my first initial thoughts and impressions on each tent. Let's get into it. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you a bit of a size comparison real quick. The BATTLBOX tent is slightly bigger than the Cabela/Bass Pro Shop tent, and we're going to weigh both. It is zeroed out, and I'm going to show you guys me zeroing it out. And we're going to start with the Bass Pro Shop one. And the Bass Pro Shop is coming in at 2 pounds 15 ounces. Now let's do the BATTLBOX one. And the BATTLBOX one is coming in at 3 pounds 7 ounces. Let's start out with the pros for each tent. With the BATTLBOX, you get some really nice stakes. I like the fact that you can take the rain cover off and you just have a nice mesh overlay. I like the side entrance to an extent on the BATTLBOX, and it was technically free, so it was the right price. Now if you come over to the Cabela's Eclipse tent, or Bass Pro Shops Eclipse tent, same thing. I do like the front entrance. I like that you can put your shoes and take them off and just put them there before you actually enter the tent. I also like, actually there's not a whole lot I like about this tent. Let's get into some of the cons about each tent. We're going to start with the Bass Pro Shops Eclipse. I didn't like setting it up like I stated earlier. I didn't know what to do with this pole. I don't like the fact that you can't take off the top layer and you can't see the stars at night. There's no mesh overlay. The stakes are just the cheap normal stakes that you get with most, basic tents. It took two people to set this tent up, and for a one-person tent, I don't think that's acceptable. When you were putting it together, it almost felt like you were going to break it. For $34, it's an okay tent if you're in a pinch, but you buy once, cry once. Let's get into the cons of the BATTLBOX tent. I don't see any other than price, and it's about $20 more expensive if you were to buy this off of BATTLBOX's website than a tent of similar caliber, and this is probably still built better, and it's worth spending the extra $20 or free to use that promo code to get it. I am no way sponsored, by the way, by BATTLBOX. I just thought it was a cool tent. I didn't see a lot of videos on it. I thought I'd make them. Let's see how well they actually pack back up. I just wanted to show you guys, you can actually use the spikes, or the stakes, excuse me, to take out the stakes. So you don't even need to bring a hammer with you. And I've just been stepping on them to get them into the ground. I mean, the ground's a bit soft right now, but I just thought that was a helpful tip. I just wanted to show you guys we were able to get everything that came with each tent back into the tent casings. I do like that this one's waterproof compared to the Cabela's one. The Cabela's one took two of us to actually get back in, whereas the BATTLBOX one took just me, and it actually is about the same size as this one. This one was so much easier to get in because this actually opens up. But if you like this kind of content, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.